When the boy, he noticed the roundabout, that merry-go-round, that area, he was demanding for it. He was wanting to ride the roundabout. Then all three, that means the child along with his parents, they were proceeding towards that roundabout area. Crowd was there. When they were proceeding towards that merry-go-round area, suddenly the boy finds that his parents are not with him. He is lost in the crowd. His parents are not visible. He is detached now with his parents. So he was searching, then desperately cutting the crowd, he was searching everywhere. After some time, when he finds that he is really lost in the fair, being a child, he started crying like anything. He was crying and crying. Then a gentleman came near to him. He was wanting to lull him. He was asking, what is the matter actually? He was crying, he was sobbing, and he replied that I am detached. I came to the fair with my parents, but they are not visible. I am lost. Simultaneously, he was crying and he was replying because he was just a mere child. And this gentleman was quite modest and he was trying to stop him because he knows the child character. He was wanting to buy him toys, balloons, flowers or garlands, the sweets, everything, the same things which just few minutes back the boy was demanding for those things to his parents. And now at this moment the boy is not at all interested. He is not at all attracted to those things, those dolls. Only he is demanding his parents. He wants his parents back. And this is the story. The story, it ends with that the boy is only crying and he is demanding for his parents. He wants his parents back. He wants nothing. He doesn't want anything, neither sweet, neither balloons, neither garland, neither flower, nothing, neither merry-go-round. Only he wants his parents. So, students, through this story, the author has presented a child's character, a child's temperament, a child's joy, a child's jubilant state, and simultaneously he has also presented that a child, an innocent child, he is very much safe when he is or she is with his or her parents. And as soon as he loses them, or he finds or she finds himself or herself that he is at present not with them, or they are not visible, then and there, at once that child is in a state of sorrow, grief and despair. He is in a state of melancholy. So there is a contrast between sorrow and between joy. The child, few minutes back, he was in a joyful state. He was enjoying each and every aspect of the fair. But as soon as he is lost in the crowd, he is lost in the fair, he does not want anything except his parents. That is the child character which the author has presented through the story The Lost Child.